Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very powerful skill every lawyer must have, forensic persuasion. Winning a case is not only about knowing the law, it is about how well you present your case and convince the judge. So in this video I will explain this chapter in very simple English with practical understanding. What is forensic persuasion? Forensic persuasion means the art of convincing the court using facts, logic and clear presentation. A good lawyer is not just someone who knows the law. A good lawyer is someone who can present facts clearly and influence the judge's mind. Role of a lawyer. According to this chapter, a lawyer has two main jobs: present facts properly, apply law effectively. But the most important thing is how you present your case matters more than how much you know, because even a strong case can fail if it is poorly presented. Qualities of a good advocate. This chapter highlights important qualities every lawyer must have. Number 1, clear understanding of facts. You must know your case deeply. Number 2, knowledge of law. Not just theory but application. Number 3, understanding human nature. Judge, witness, client, all are human. Number 4, social awareness. Cases are connected with society. Number 5, logical reasoning. Connect facts with law properly. Number 6, clear communication skills. Speak simply, clearly, confidently. Remember, a confusing lawyer can never be a convincing lawyer. Trial court versus appeal. This is very important concept. In trial court, focus is on evidence, witnesses and facts are important. In appellate court, facts are already recorded. Focus is on legal arguments. So in appeal, your presentation and clarity become even more important. How to present arguments. A good argument should follow this structure. Start with clear issue questions, give short and relevant facts, apply law logically, end with a strong conclusion. Always remember, don't confuse the judge, guide the judge. Common mistakes lawyers make. Many lawyers fail because of these mistakes: speaking too much, giving irrelevant facts, poor preparation, ignoring judges' questions, overreacting or being too dramatic. Court is not a stage, it is a place of logic. Style of advocacy. Your style should be simple, clear, calm, respectful. Avoid loud arguments, emotional drama, unnecessary gestures. Judges prefer clarity over drama. Obstructions in advocacy. This chapter also talk about distraction like bad body language, unnecessary movements, lack of confidence, poor organization of thoughts. Even small thing can reduce your impact in court. Opening and summation. Opening, give a clear picture of your case, be short and simple. Summation, highlight strong points, do not repeat everything, focus on what matters most. Strong beginnings plus strong ending equal to powerful argument. Final message of this chapter. The biggest lesson from this chapter is advocacy is not about speaking more, it is about convincing better. A great lawyer understands facts, uses law smartly, speak clearly, and respect the court. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will bring more law concepts in simple language for you. Thank you for watching.